If you're like most of us, you're on your phone every single day, multiple times for hours a day. In fact, you may be watching this video on your phone right now. But what are some apps that you can download that not only will entertain you, but you'll actually be able to make money from? Let's find out. Hi, I'm Tyler from the RideShare Guy. On today's episode, we're going to be talking about apps that are actually going to pay you money for using them. So you'll not only get some entertainment from some of these, but you'll also get some money back that you can spend on whatever you want, whether that's a vacation, paying down debt, have a bill coming up, whatever. These apps will actually make you money right now. The first one that we recommend is Upside. Now, this is an app that you'll get money back for going to gas stations or restaurants or even convenience stores in your area, depending on what's available. You can save a percentage back, or at the gas station, a certain amount per gallon. This adds up over the course of time, especially as rideshare drivers, to hundreds of dollars saved. My wife and I have saved several $100s using this specific app. If this is something you want to get started with and use right now, you can download it in the link below in the description, as well as to get some more money back on your first time using it using our code RIDE35. That'll get you a little bit extra money that first time you use it. So definitely sign up for this app. It's going to make you a lot of money, especially as rideshare drivers. Next, you have Rakuten, which I've used to save hundreds of dollars while shopping online. So this is an app you can use, you can download onto your computer or your phone, where you're able to get money back for shopping at places you're gonna shop anyway. So you can get money back from things like Best Buy, Walmart, Amazon, depending on the product that you're buying. But you simply buy something you're gonna buy anyway, and you'll get money back by using the app on your phone or having that Chrome extension on your computer. So this is a great way. One of our contributors has actually made over $400 using Rakuten over the years. So this is a great way to actually make money on things you're gonna purchase anyway. Ibotta is another app. It's specific to help you to go shopping. So for instance, if you're in the grocery store and you're looking to buy an item, you pull out the Ibotta app and you will get money back depending on what item you buy. The first time I heard about this app, a friend of mine was coming over for dinner. They brought over some beer, and he told me that he decided on the beer that he was getting. They'd never tried it before, based off of the fact that they were gonna get more money back on that beer than any other beer using the Ibotta app. So they actually got probably $4 back using it that time to get that beer. And there's a lot of other items. We've used it for everything really. Chips, chicken, anything you can think of at a grocery store, any other store as well. You can also scan the receipts in, make even more money. So this is a great app to help you make money, especially when you're doing your shopping. Another app that's similar to Ibotta is Doordash. Now this is one that's going to give you money back every time you shop. And once you reach a $25 amount, you can cash that out through PayPal or Venmo or whatever to get that actual cash money. A lot of these apps are going to give it to you in gift cards, but Doordash, you can actually get that money right back to you. So a great way to make money with an app. Next, we have the Pay app, which is another app that you're able to get money back while shopping. This one, you'll link your debit or credit card to the account and then get money back every time you shop in the form of cash or even Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin's something you wanted to get into, but you didn't want to actually put any of your money into it, you can use this app, link your accounts to it, and start making Bitcoin right now. Save a little bit of money at a time, and hopefully that goes up over time. So this is a great way to get into that. But if you're a little hesitant, you can still get regular old money, not just Bitcoin, on that as well. And next we have GigWalk, which is going to show you the gigs that are available in your area. If you have any skills such as changing oil, you may be able to get a small gig that's going to pay you $100 or more for that small gig that's going to take you 15 minutes to an hour. So something you definitely want to have downloaded, especially if you have some free time on a weekend or whenever. You can see what's going on in your area, what's available, and how much money you're able to make with this app. With that in mind, of course, you have the side hustle apps in general. Number one, we have Instacart, which is a great app if you're wanting to get into a side hustle, but you're hesitant to have passengers in your vehicle. Instacart allows you to do groceries, which means you're going to be driving less, but making as much, if not more, than a lot of the delivery services out there. So this is something the majority of your time will be spent actually doing the grocery shopping, but that means less wear and tear in your car and the same amount or more money than you could with a lot of other hustles. Next, you have Postmates, which will be able to deliver things directly to customers. So a lot of food delivery is going to be done this way. You're going to get an entire kit with a card that you're able to use to make the purchases. So this is something, if you're trying to get into the delivery, a hustle like that, Postmates is going to be definitely one you're wanting to do. It doesn't take the amount of time that Instacart has where you're doing the shopping, but you're making a great amount of money with these deliveries and still not having passengers in your car if that's a concern for you. Next, we have Doordash, which is a food delivery service, a great one to sign up for, one of our personal favorites in my house. We've used just about all of them at this point, and DoorDash has by far been the one that has made the most amount of money if you're doing just one app. Again, we always recommend using multiple apps, but if you're a little hesitant, we recommend DoorDash. My wife and I have used quite a bit, and that's the one that's made the most for us if you're using just one app at a time. Next, we have apps that you can make money with just sitting at home. So the next app is Misplay, which is one that is the loyalty program for gamers, they call it. So you'll have little games that'll be on your phone. You'll actually make money for playing those games right on your phone at home. It's going to take a little bit of time, especially if you're not good at games or you're not good at that particular game, to get good at it and to make enough money that you're able to cash out. But a great way to, if you're sitting at home, maybe watching TV, maybe you're like me, you have to do more than one thing at a time. So this is a great app that you can download that will allow you to play games and make money, and who doesn't want to do that? Next, we have Lucktastic, which is an app that has a lot of advertisements on it. Ultimately, when you boil it down, it's scratch cards, which when scratched off, you get tokens. Once you get enough tokens, you're able to cash that in for e-gift cards or any of the other things on the app. So another great thing that you can do to make money at home. Swagbucks is another great app that you can download. It allows you to take surveys. So they'll survey just about everything. So they'll ask about employment, they'll ask about likes, dislikes, movies, entertainment, games, books, really anything you can imagine. They'll a survey out there for people to get information. They're anonymous typically, but you'll still get that money back with Swagbucks. So a great way to make money with an app on your phone by answering questions in your spare time. Nielsen is another great app you can download. This is one that you don't have to actually do anything other than download the app and allow your phone to track with it. It'll keep track of everything that you do going on in the background. And then by that, it'll give out money every single month. They say that they have given out $10,000 every month. So why not get some of that money back in your pocket simply for downloading an app and then forgetting about it and just collecting a small paycheck every single month. Next, we have Fronto, which is an app that is for Android only. So this will actually connect to your phone in the lock screen. So when you open your screen, it'll give you an option to watch an advertisement or to just unlock your screen like you normally would. If you choose to unlock it with an advertisement though, and you watch that small advertisement, you'll start to get money every single month. If you use it regularly and how many times you unlock your phone, you could get $20 or more per month for using this app on your phone. Next, we have Bing.com, which a lot of times we don't think of this as an app. We think of it more like a Google, like a search engine, but this is something that actually allows you to make money for doing those searches, such as you would do through Google, you do them through Bing instead, and you'll get money. There's also daily news alerts and things that you read and different quizzes that you can take and make money with Bing. So it's a great service to make a little bit of extra money. Next, we have Shopkicks, which this is probably my wife's all-time favorite app. In fact, she finds it entertaining to just look at how many kicks she's gonna have, and she'll drive around town to the different stores, never even get out of the car because there's what's called the walk-in kicks that you can get. She'll just drive past the front door, and a lot of times it'll give it to her. Also, while we're shopping, there'll be things that you can scan, and you'll get kicks for that. You can even link your account, or when you're making purchases, get additional kicks with this. We have made hundreds and hundreds of dollars using this app. We absolutely love it. Next, we have Moby, which is an app if you're interested in doing something similar to a mystery shop where you go in, you buy certain items, you do certain things, and you write a review or do a little review of that shopping experience. This is an app that you can download and start doing that. You don't have to get a job as a mystery shopper. You can start doing it as a gig using this app, Moby. Next, we have Receipt Hog, which is exactly as it sounds. They just want pictures of all the receipts you can find. So this is an app that you can download. Any receipts you have around your house that you've bought things, whether it's a restaurant, grocery store, a convenience store, whatever it is, keep those receipts, scan them into this, and you'll get cash back using it. Next, we have Achievement. So this is an app that will actually connect to all of the personal fitness things that are on your phone already. It'll keep track from those for you, so you don't have to download a whole bunch of things or even input this information, especially if you're like me and you have your weight connected to a Bluetooth scale. All that weight is in there, and then all the food and everything is already documented, your blood pressure, all that goes in. This will connect to that and actually give you points for keeping track of your fitness, especially if you're doing it already. This is a great way to make just a little bit extra money after time goes on. You're able to cash that in for money. So it's a great app to get, Achievement, to help you to make money with an app. Next, we have Healthy Wage. So this is betting on yourself with your own fitness. So you would bet on yourself anywhere between $5 and $995, saying that I'm gonna lose X amount of pounds by a certain amount of date. If you make it to that date and you've made that goal, then you can actually get money back. So if you put in $5, you may get $20, $30, or hundreds of dollars back. If you put $995 down, you're gonna get even more back. So this is something, it is a little bit of a gamble, because if you don't lose that weight, then they're gonna keep that money. But as long as you're strict and you keep to your fitness goal, you're gonna make money using this app. So there you have different apps that allow you to make money on your phone. Those are the ones we've really used. We like them. Have you used them before? What did you think? Did you find it difficult to use? Or do you have other ones that you prefer to use? We'd love to hear about it. Please leave a comment below. We read every single one. If this video was helpful to you, please give us a thumbs up. It really helps us, helps the channel. Subscribe to the channel, because new episodes come out every single week that help you to make as much money as possible in a short amount of time as possible. And stay safe out there, everyone.